What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Well, yesterday we went on a hike. Like I said before, it was really beautiful over in that neck of the woods, guys, and I wanted to share that with you once again. It's a place that I already featured in, I don't know if one or two, couple of my older videos, so you can backtrack and see if you want to see more of this place. But I'm just gonna showcase my kiddos doing the hike on this video because the prior two, they weren't with us, and this time they were warriors, guys. They took on this hike like nothing, you know, like it was just a playground activity, guys, and I'm proud of them. They had fun. It was really great to see our kids having a blast yesterday. So just wanted to share that with you. Our island life. If you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I think it's that direction. Say subscribe. I think it's there. I keep on forgetting. I think it's my left shoulder, right there. Subscribe, guys. We're almost to 2,000 subscribers, and like I said before, I'm gonna do something really nice for you folks once I hit the 2,000 mark. I'm also gonna probably do a few giveaways once we hit that milestone. So yeah, guys, please, if you have not, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and leave a comment, guys. I love interacting with all of you folks. So without further ado, island life once again. And once they lift this 14-day quarantine restriction thing here in Hawaii, I want to travel to other islands. I was about to, but they re-implemented that, so that totally sucks. Come on. So and I don't know if I already mentioned, but our mainland family vacation is booked for October, so hopefully they lift it up. If not, I might have to postpone that vacation over to the mainland. But have a great day, guys. I'll check you guys on the next video. Enjoy.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do?